Welcome to Vista Solutions. Transforming your NetSuite data into actionable insights with Power BI. Still exporting data from NetSuite to spreadsheets for reports? Manual processes slow you down and put decisions at risk. What if you could connect NetSuite directly to Power BI and see your sales, finance, and inventory dashboards update in real time? At Vista, we enable seamless Power BI integration with NetSuite using a secure ODBC connection. No more CSV exports, just live data. Gain visibility across finance, CRM, inventory, and sales, all from a single Power BI dashboard. Key benefits: live data from NetSuite, no delays. Custom dashboards for every department. Data security using role-based access. No-code or low-code implementation. Track your sales pipeline, top customers, overdue invoices, and margins in real time. Our experts handle everything, from ODBC setup, data modeling, to dashboard deployment. All tailored to your NetSuite schema. Why Vista? With over 350 plus ERP projects delivered, Vista is the go-to partner for NetSuite and BI integrations worldwide. Ready to empower your business with data-driven decisions? Contact Vista Solutions today and get your first dashboard demo free.